And I'm sitting here tonight, gazing at the stars, wondering where you are. If only I could talk to you, I'd clear up every doubt about it all. There's no other way to put it, I'm being wrong, I admit. Sorry my dear, please my baby just here. While my heart is screaming, while my eyes are pleading. My lady, I promise you that it will go on repeating. It's the last time that I ever make you cry, that I go on feeding you those pity lies. You know that I can change as I begin to tell you that I cannot live a single day without you. All the jelly beans I put them out behind my back, and if they come back I kick them out of my track. Cause right now I only see all that we can be. It's so beautiful when there's only you and me. I don't understand why we listen to their shit, or the narrow mind saying that we can't do it. They're dumb and blinded by their own sin. Guess you just reap what you have sown. I'm never gonna let you go far away from me now. I'm holding on so close I can feel your heart against mine, and this time will be so strong, so strong.